Lay right down.
Little standoff. This is before beating dance.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, let him play. This is good. This is good play. How cute they are. Jump on me. How can I help you?
It's like a slap fight.
You kind of really Pedro's winning this round.
Oh yeah, he wins most rounds. Look how quick he is.
Wait. Okay, go.
Yeah, he's really not very aggressive dog.
Remember when he's playing like this, gets the crazy eyes.
Yeah, when his mouth goes back real far.
Just total joke.
I love that face. It's when he's having like a really good time. Yeah, good boy.